Hi friends, welcome back to the garden. So today we are doing an unboxing. I received an order that I had placed and I'm really excited to put these in the ground. So let's get to it. I have a couple of dahlias. This one is an orange. This one is a purple. I'm super excited about this. And then we have a purple iris. I don't know if you can see that very well. And two different kinds of peonies. So I really want to get these in the ground. Started in pots, in these larger pots. These are 1 or 2.5 quart pots, just to get them started, and then we'll bring them inside as the weather kind of tapers off and is better, and then I will slowly plant them into the ground. But I want to get them in the soil because they just came in, and I don't want the bulbs to go rancid. So here we go. So I just want to wrap this video up by saying that I wasn't happy with the way that these bulbs were shipped from Amazon, so I won't link them below. But this is just an experiment. I mean, I have them, so I might as well plant them, and let's see how they do. Anyways, have a good day, and I hope you like the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.